Are you still interested in learning about herbal medicinals? This time of year, it's positively gorgeous. Everything's in bloom. Well, I have a spectacular opportunity for you. Mamon Wilson of Centurion Health is coming here to Shasta County, Northern California, to do a therapeutic herbology workshop for 7 days. If you've always wanted to learn about these herbs and their benefits and how they promote health, or tinctures and poultices, now is the time to get on board. And for those of you that want to sign up and register early, I have limited space to do a wild herbal tour through this beautiful property to look out things out here in nature in their natural state, to identify them and talk about the benefits of these beautiful plants that have been given for our healing. Now let me tell you a little bit about Brother Wilson.
Mayman was just a little boy when his mother died of lung cancer. At the age of 9 years old, he made a commitment to God to one day find a cure for cancer. Time was no solace for his pain, and he retreated to a primitive log cabin in the woods. Without modern conveniences of running water, indoor plumbing, and electricity, Mayman lived primitively with just a wood stove. Isolated with only the sounds of wildlife, he fell in love with nature and its God. He voraciously studied plant life, curiously unlocking the door of wisdom held in its leaves, flowers, stems, roots, bark, and vines. This time alone with nature and its creator was an invaluable experience, which prompted additional studies in Indian herbal medicine, Russian folk medicine, tropical medicine, and most importantly, the Word of God. Mayman walked out of his mountain sanctuary carrying a wealth of understanding which he promised God would be used in helping the most serious of health issues. For more than 30 years, Mayman has traveled extensively while following God's lead to take the most difficult cases in the world. He has treated countless individuals with all manner of cancer and serious life-threatening illness.
Don't hesitate to register. Go to upwardwayhomestead.com/herbal to book your space now. For more information, you can call me at 805-395-8125. Get ready to equip yourself with the best that nature has to offer for optimum health and vitality.